How to kickflip on a fingerboard. First, let's talk about the finger position. So for a kickflip, you want to place your middle finger in the center of the tail. Just like for an ollie, you don't want hanging off the edge or too far back, just the center of the tail. And for your index finger, you want to place it just below the bolts. And this is the placement for a kickflip, what it looks like. Now you got the finger position down, the next step is to learn how to pop. Just like for an ollie, you want to put more weight or pressing down to your middle finger really hard, because that's where you're going to be popping and snapping your tail to the ground. Now you have the popping down, the next step is to learn how to flick. So when it comes to a kickflip, you want to make sure that your index finger is flicking towards off the nose of the board. So you want to pop down and almost as you lift your tail off the ground and then flick. Remember, pop first and then flicking is the second step. It's all about timing. So as you pop the tail down while simultaneously dragging your index finger towards off the nose of the board, you want to catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away. And the most important thing that I taught you in every trick is to just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. And there you have it. Now you know how to do a kickflip. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember who taught that to you. Itachi Han. You're welcome.